Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can connect your Wix website with Google AdSense. So let's jump right into it. First, open AdSense website and sign in using your Google account. As you can see, it then asks for the website's URL and some other things. For info option, select no, as we don't want our Google account to be flooded with emails, and then select your region and click on start using AdSense. To connect your site, scroll down and tap on Let's Go. After that, follow these steps and click on Request Review. Then on the left side menu, click on Ads. After clicking, it shows a snip code. Just copy it and go to your site's dashboard. Over there, you're gonna go to Settings and scroll down to Advanced Options. Click on Add Custom Code and paste the code you just copied. And that's it. So this is how you can connect your Wix site with Google AdSense. Hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching.